Ever wondered how those snappy little videos on YouTube Shorts could actually make you money? Well, get ready to dive into the world of short-form content and discover the secrets to monetizing your creativity. In this video, we're going to explore everything from content strategies to affiliate marketing, unlocking the potential for you to turn those brief moments into real earnings. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner creator and start cashing in on YouTube Shorts, stick around because we've got all the tips and tricks you need right here. Let's get started. Why YouTube Shorts? In a digital age where attention spans are shrinking, YouTube Shorts emerges as a beacon of opportunity for creators worldwide. With the explosive rise of short-form video content across various platforms, YouTube Shorts offers a unique space for creators to captivate audiences in seconds. But what sets Shorts apart? Firstly, it's the unrivaled reach of YouTube itself. As one of the largest video-sharing platforms globally, YouTube provides an expansive audience base hungry for bite-sized content. Secondly, the potential for virality is immense. With Shorts, creators have the chance to strike gold with content that resonates deeply, quickly garnering views, likes, and shares. Moreover, Shorts serves as a gateway to discovery. For both established creators and newcomers alike, Shorts offers a low-barrier entry point to showcase talent, creativity, and personality, ultimately driving traffic to their main channels. Additionally, the platform's algorithmic prowess ensures that quality content gets the spotlight it deserves, amplifying visibility and engagement. In essence, YouTube Shorts isn't just a trend, it's a revolution in content creation. It's a playground where creativity knows no bounds, where every second counts, and where the next big sensation could be just a click away. Choosing your content strategy. Now that we understand the allure of YouTube Shorts, let's dive into the critical step of choosing the right content strategy. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, selecting the right approach can make all the difference in your success. The first strategy is repurposing viral content. This involves leveraging popular content from platforms like TikTok or Instagram and adapting it for YouTube Shorts. While it's a low-lift option, creators should be cautious about building a personal brand solely on repurposed content. Alternatively, you can repurpose your existing content. If you're already active on platforms like TikTok or Instagram, recycling your content for Shorts can save time while maintaining originality. Just be sure to remove any watermarks to maintain a professional aesthetic. For those ready to invest more time and effort, creating new content from scratch is the way to go. While it requires more work, YouTube native content has the potential for higher performance since it's tailored specifically for the platform. Regardless of your chosen strategy, monitoring your channel's analytics is crucial. Understanding what resonates with your audience will help you refine your approach and maximize engagement. So whether you're repurposing, recycling, or creating from scratch, choose a content strategy that aligns with your goals and resonates with your audience. The YouTube Shorts Partner Program. Now that you've honed your content strategy, it's time to explore the lucrative world of the YouTube Shorts Partner Program. Designed to empower creators and unlock earning potential, this program offers a pathway to monetization that rewards quality content and engagement. To qualify for the program, creators need to meet specific eligibility criteria, including 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million views in the last 90 days. Once accepted, creators gain access to a host of benefits, including revenue sharing from ads displayed between shorts. The mechanics are simple. YouTube pools ad revenue generated from shorts and distributes it among program members based on their share of views. Creators take home 45% of their allocated revenue, while YouTube retains the remaining 55%. Participating in the program not only opens doors to monetization, but also enhances visibility and credibility within the YouTube community. Moreover, it allows creators to focus on what they do best, creating captivating content without compromising the user experience. So whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, the YouTube Shorts Partner Program offers a pathway to financial freedom and creative fulfillment. It's time to turn your passion for Shorts into a profitable venture and join the ranks of successful creators worldwide. Establishing brand partnerships. While the YouTube Shorts Partner Program provides a steady stream of revenue, establishing brand partnerships can take your earnings to new heights. Collaborating with brands offers creators the opportunity to monetize their influence and leverage their audience to promote products or services. However, integrating sponsored content seamlessly into Shorts presents unique challenges due to their brief duration. Creators must strike a delicate balance between delivering valuable content to their audience and meeting the objectives of their brand partners. One effective strategy is to prioritize authenticity and relevance. By selecting brands that align with your niche and values, you can ensure a more natural integration that resonates with your audience. Moreover, transparency is key. Disclose any sponsored content clearly and honestly to maintain trust with your audience. To attract brand partnerships, focus on building a strong personal brand and cultivating an engaged audience. Brands are more likely to collaborate with creators who demonstrate consistency, professionalism, and creativity in their content. Lastly, don't be afraid to negotiate terms that are mutually beneficial. From compensation to creative control, ensure that the partnership aligns with your goals and values. By establishing authentic brand partnerships, creators can diversify their revenue streams and unlock new opportunities for growth and collaboration in the dynamic world of YouTube Shorts. Harnessing the power of affiliate links. Last but not least, in addition to the YouTube Shorts Partner Program and brand partnerships, affiliate marketing offers another avenue for creators to monetize their content effectively. By strategically incorporating affiliate links into their shorts, creators can earn commissions on sales and expand their revenue streams. Affiliate marketing works by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. For example, if you're featuring a product in your shorts, you can include an affiliate link in the video description, directing viewers to the product's purchase page. One of the key advantages of affiliate marketing is its accessibility. Unlike other monetization methods that may require a minimum threshold of subscribers or watch hours, anyone can start using affiliate links right away. To maximize your earnings through affiliate marketing, focus on promoting products that align with your audience's interests and preferences. Authenticity is paramount, so only endorse products or services that you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your audience. Additionally, track your affiliate link performance to identify which products resonate most with your audience and optimize your strategy accordingly. By harnessing the power of affiliate links, creators can unlock a new stream of passive income while providing value to their audience through trusted recommendations. Authenticity is paramount, so only endorse products or services that you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your audience. Additionally, track your affiliate link performance to identify which products resonate most with your audience and optimize your strategy accordingly. By harnessing the power of affiliate links, creators can unlock a new stream of passive income while providing value to their audience through trusted recommendations. The world of YouTube Shorts is brimming with opportunities for creators to monetize their content and turn their passion into profit. By implementing the strategies outlined in this video, you can unlock the full potential of short-form video and pave the way to financial success. So, seize the moment, unleash your creativity, and embark on your journey to YouTube Shorts stardom. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Keep creating, keep innovating, and until next time, happy filming.